We've just acquired this very popular 330 BMW M Sport Automatic. It's in absolutely lovely condition, really been kept well. It's got a lot of factory fitted options. It's in beautiful blue. M Sport alloy wheels and body styling kit. Privacy glass to the rear. Rear park distance control. Twin exhausts. Nice lower rear diffuser. Beautiful condition for its age. Boot, as you can see, is in beautiful condition. Got the carpet mat there. Full leather interior. Electric windows and mirrors. Full leather sport seats. It's got the satellite navigation. Sky up. It's got paddle shift on the gearbox. Automatic. Full iDrive system. Satellite navigation. 3-stage heated seats. It's 114,169 miles. Telephone for Bluetooth, media system, aux and a USB, cruise control. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.